Hello, it's I Des. Welcome back to the channel with another unboxing video. Today we're unboxing this Flash action figure. Superpowers The Flash. New for 2022. It's the classic look of the Flash comics here. I'm gonna unbox this today. There's the Flash action figure. Says for ages 12 and up. DC Comics, obviously. Turn them around. Some more information here. Collect them all. You can buy Batman, Superman, Green Lantern, Darkseid, all those characters. I chose the Flash, so I'm gonna unbox them just now. Gonna get pretty so fast, and pun intended. He's halfway out and he's free of the package. Check out the details there. The logo on the chest, the yellow lightning design belt here on the waist, the boots. Pretty classic looking Flash, yo. Can run so fast, like lightning speed of a Flash. I like it. Check out the things in the ears here. Awesome. Great. For now, let's put him right here with a DC villain, Joker. I hope you enjoy watching me unbox this little Flash action figure, and I'll vlog you later. Good night, y'all.